The last step to finishing any room decor is to add art and accessories, but there is no one-size-fits-all approach. In a minimalist space, it might be just a few objects. In a maximalist space, it could involve displaying entire collections and layers of objects and art. Be sure to consider your functional needs. A tray on an ottoman can contain remote controls. Throw pillows provide extra back support for deep sofas and chairs. A magazine rack can keep reading materials out of the way. Attractive baskets are ideal for tidying up children's toys in a hurry. There are several wooden furniture and wooden decorative pieces you can use to decorate your home or office. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. After completing your home decor venture, you can go back to your original inspirational images and study the way those rooms are accessorized. Do they mix candles, boxes, bowls and books together, or is there just one vase on a table? Is there a single artwork above the sofa, or a freeform gallery wall? The things you can use to decorate your room are countless, and there are also countless ways in which they could be arranged. Continuing our tips on home decor, if you are working from your floor plan and inspiration images, choose the specific pieces of furniture such as the sofas, chairs and tables, that will make the space livable. Depending on the desired vibe, you can go in wildly different directions. For a traditional room, focusing on a symmetrical layout often helps. For instance, installing a sofa and coffee table centered on a fireplace, with matching armchairs on either side. A very symmetrical space can be beautiful and formal. On the other hand, if you choose a sectional sofa, it's probably going to be a less formal space with an asymmetrical layout. Seat height is also important. Sofas and lounge chairs in the same room should have seats that are at similar heights to avoid some people sitting much higher than others. In general, lower seats offer a casual, laid-back feel, and higher seats come off as more formal. Whether the space is casual or formal, there is a rule of thumb to keep in mind: the number of dining chairs should roughly match the number of spaces for lounging. If you're planning to have 12 people at a dining room table, you should have 12 seats in the living room, for entertaining before and after the meal. No living room sofa or chair should be an island of its own. When people sit down, they almost always need a place to put a drink or book, as well as light to read by. Place a coffee table or end table within easy reach of each seat, along with a table or floor lamp. No one wants to stub a toe on a chair leg, so you'll also want to ensure there are clear walking paths through the living room, and that no furniture blocks part of a doorway or makes it necessary to squeeze by. Will your living room have a TV? If so, plan for a wall mount or a media unit to hold it, as well as a path for cables that won't be unsightly. Do you plan to host buffet-style dinners? If so, A credenza or sideboard near the dining table will allow you to serve in one space rather than having guests traipse through the kitchen. A living room with hardwood floors but no rug looks naked. For visual and literal comfort, you can add a rug. Install a rug that covers almost the entire floor of the room, leaving a border or just a foot or two at the edges. This usually works best in smaller rooms. You can break a larger room down into multiple seating areas by using rugs to visually hold each group of furniture together. Or, in an open concept space, use a rug to hold the living area together, while allowing the dining area to sit directly on the wood floor. Pile smaller rugs on top of a larger one to create extra visual interest while reinforcing the layout of the room. Be generous when selecting sizes. A small rug under the coffee table that doesn't reach the legs of sofas and chairs will look like a raft lost at sea. The rug should extend about halfway, or fully, under the furniture at its edges. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.